Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Canva to easily create a design that's perfectly sized and ready to use with Cricut Design Space. If you've ever wondered how you can quickly whip up custom text designs in Canva and bring them right into Cricut for your next DIY project, you're in exactly the right spot. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a simple but stylish text-based design, all set to upload and cut with your Cricut. Let's jump in. First things first, let's make our way over to Canva. You can do this on your browser, just head to Canva.com and log in with your account. If you don't have one, don't worry, it's completely free for what we're doing today. Canva is my go-to when I want things to be fast, flexible, and easy without having to dig into more complicated software. Once you're in, look at the top right for that nice big Create a Design button, go ahead and click that. Now, to make sure your design fits perfectly in Cricut Design Space, we want to use a custom size. This gives you full control over the canvas and you avoid any stretching or weird sizing issues later. In the menu, choose Custom Size, and for today's example, set the dimensions to 100 by 50 pixels. You might be wondering about these exact numbers. These just keep things simple and compact for a basic design, but you can always adjust to suit your specific project later on. Once you've set your size, hit that Create button one more time and your fresh new canvas should pop right up. Next, let's start adding the magic, our text. For this tutorial, we're creating a design with 3 different text elements to really show off some font variety. On the left, click Text and then select Add a Heading. Do this 3 times so you have 3 separate text boxes to play with. Now you can type in whatever words or phrases you like for your project. Maybe names, inspiring words, or just something fun. Separate text boxes give you so much freedom with placement and style, and they're easier to manage if you need to tweak things later. This is where the design starts taking on its personality. Click on the first text box and let's switch up the font. At the top, where you see the drop-down menu, find the font called Brittany. This one is a personal favorite for bold, playful text that really stands out. Give it a click and you'll see your text change instantly, adding a lot more flair in just one step. Next, click on your second text box. For this one, choose Alex Brush from the font options. This font has a beautiful flowing script style. It's fantastic for more elegant or expressive words like names or greetings. The font choice here can completely change the vibe, so play around a little until it feels just right. Finally, let's turn to our third text. Go ahead and select the text box and change its font to Above the Beyond script. This one is a bit unique, offering a modern script style with a slight edge. Using 3 different fonts side by side not only shows off your creative side, but it also helps train your eye on what works together for your future projects. Now comes the most fun part, adding some effects. With any of your text boxes selected, look for the Effects button at the top. Canva gives you lots of ways to customize your fonts, like adding shadows, outlines, curves, or even a neon glow. Don't be afraid to experiment here. Maybe add a drop shadow to make the words pop or a curve to fit your project space. This stage is all about making the design uniquely yours, so give yourself a few moments to tinker. And don't worry if it feels a bit fiddly. Sometimes small changes make a big difference, but you can always undo anything you don't love. And that's it, your custom text design is done and ready to go. You now have a beautiful, personalized piece that you can export from Canva and bring straight into Cricut Design Space. This entire process is not just for pros, anyone can do it, and once you get the hang of these steps, you'll be creating new designs in no time. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and drop any questions you have in the comments. I love hearing what you're working on or helping out if you get stuck. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss more creative tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy crafting.